Inspired by math, numbers that think, dance, and surprise. A journey through Kaprekar's world for the curious young minds. What if numbers could think? What if math wasn't just about formulas, but about wonders? That's the question at the heart of Inspired by Math, Kaprekar's world. Numbers that think. This isn't your typical workbook filled with steps to memorize or speed drills to master. Instead, it's a passport into a world of playful patterns, surprising tricks, and ideas that bend the rules you thought you knew about the book. In this volume, we walk in the footsteps of the Tatre Ramchandra Kaprekar, a brilliant, self taught Indian mathematician who saw beauty where others saw boredom. He believed numbers could surprise us, not just by being big or small, but by how they could transform. Kaprekar didn't crack formulas from dusty textbooks. He invented problems no one had ever seen before, and he believed every student had the power to do the same. Why this book doesn't start with formulas, and why that's a good thing. Most math books begin with definitions, drills, and rules. This one begins with curiosity. Instead of asking, "Can you solve this?" it asks, "Why does this happen? What else could this pattern lead to? Can you create your own version?" Because real math begins not with answers, but with questions. And when those questions build, so does a rhythm of insight and appreciation. What you will actually do: spot patterns and ask why, explore number tricks and invent your own, wonder, test, compare, predict, create new puzzles and play with logic, break old rules and write your own. This is a power thinking, not passive solving. But why it matters? Formulas tell you what to do. This book helps you understand why math works. By slowing down, observing, and letting numbers surprise you, you are building something far more lasting than speed or accuracy. Mathematical intuition, the invisible engine behind every great thinker, coder, and scientist. Following Kaprekar's footsteps, let's try one of his most delightful discoveries. Explore the magic of three digit numbers. In brief, pick any three-digit number, not all digits the same, rearrange it to form the biggest and the smallest version, subtract them, and repeat the process. Soon, you will always land on 495, a mysterious number that pulls you in like gravity. Kaprekar called it a black hole for numbers. Now, try with four-digit numbers. This Kaprekar's iteration and discover 6174, his most famous constant, a number that shines like a hidden crystal in the cave of digits, a jewel of logic buried in simple subtraction, waiting to be found, a math book that feels like a treasure map. Throughout the book, you will explore the magic of 6174, Kaprekar's constant, cyclic numbers and repeating decimal puzzles, digital roots, divisibility tricks, and square patterns, the logic of factorials and permutations, your own math games, visual journals, and STEM extensions. Each page blends storytelling, illustrations, discovery activities, and timeless questions designed to help you think like a mathematician, not just solve like a calculator. Thank you.
Video will guide you step by step. Because math is not just what you learn, it's how you think. Inspired by Math is for curious minds, creative thinkers, and junior mathematicians ready to explore the world with numbers. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a passionate educator, this journey is for you.